This is Erin Gates with Lizzie Knits and Three Birds Yarn Studio, and I'm going to show you how to do the right twist stitch, or RT. This stitch is worked over 2 stitches, and it's great because it mimics the look of cable knitting, but you don't need a cable needle, excuse me. So it's very quick. Okay, let me show you my little swatch. And the right twists create right leaning stitches that are nice and clean. Okay, so I want to, on the swatch here, these 2 stitches are gonna be the next ones that I right twist. So let me knit a few and get to that point. 4, I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the right twist. So with the right needle, you're going to knit 2 together. Let me bring this a little closer. Put your needle into the second stitch, and you're going to knit into both of those stitches, wrap the yarn, and create the new stitch. But the only catch is here is do not take these stitches off the needle yet. You're still going to do one more step. So now the right needle, you're going to want to knit into only that first stitch. So you have to put the right needle in between the 2 stitches and knit only into that first one. And bring the stitch out in between the stitches. All right, now you can take the old 2 stitches off the left needle, and you have 2 new stitches on the right needle. I'm going to show you this again. So here, we created more right twisting stitches. So this is not a decrease. This is worked over, unlike knitting 2 together. For this, you start with 2 stitches and you end up with 2 stitches. So all you're doing is flipping the order that you work the stitches. Similar to cable knitting, but this is much quicker. All right, let me knit one. Here, I'll do a couple more just on the end of the swatch here. Okay, these next 2 stitches, right twist. We're gonna knit like we're knitting 2 together, wrap the yarn. Okay, do not take them off the left needle. And now take the right needle in between those 2 stitches and only knit the first one. And then when you bring your right needle out, you wanna bring it through the 2 stitches. Okay, 2 new stitches on the needle, take these 2 off. Okay, let's do it one more time. Right twist, knit both, and now just knit the first one. Okay, and take them off. Let's do that. Knit both, and only knit the first one. Okay, next 2, knit both, kind of separate them, and only knit that first one. Okay, 2 stitches left. Last time. Okay, knit both. Oops, that one's tight. And then only knit again through the first stitch. And you bring it out from in between the first and second stitches. All right, so look, we got a bunch of straggly right twist stitches here, but if you're doing this in a design, you can shift them over 1 space every time, so you'll end up with like a continuous looking diagonal column. Okay, there you go, the right twist. Thanks for watching.